I love talking about our lab because I am so proud of it. It's done right here on the premises, and they put so much time and care and effort, so it looks like it belongs in their mouth.
Having the laboratory here on site, the advantage of it is predictability. We can all collaborate on the cases together so that when we get to the final product, it's what not only we, but the patient was hoping for.
The lab technician who is actually making the crowns will come out and take a look at the shade, and they can actually custom match the crowns to what they're seeing inside the mouth.
The average turnaround time for a traditional lab, an out-of-house lab, is about 2 weeks, whereas here we can do a full final zirconia crown start to finish in 1 day. But the same is true for everything we do.
In the afternoon, when we go to seat that crown, if we need to make any changes or add color, remove color, we're still able to do that same day since we have that lab on site.
I've never worked in an office that had a lab on site. It's really quick, easy, convenient, and it's the best quality that you can find around.
We do a lot of comprehensive cases for patients, so that's able to be done in a day. So that's something that makes this office stand out amongst the rest. This is state-of-the-art dentistry for sure.
We're pretty proud of the machinery and equipment that we have, and so we're always asking patients to come back, take a look at everything, and be a part of that process.
We guarantee our crowns for 5 years. We want to retain patients for a very long time, and we do that by providing the level of care that patients deserve.